Hello. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to combine and blend photos in Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to import or add your images here. So I have my first image and then second image and I want to combine this. So what you're going to do here is you have to go to elements and go to gradient. And then this time you have to look for that white gradient right here and then place it on the right side of the first image. And then you have to move it vertically and then duplicate it. It's like three times. Okay, so duplicate twice, but it should be three times. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now right click or select and then group this. Okay, so you need to group this one. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to copy this or duplicate. Let's just say, let's just copy and then paste it to the second image right here. But this time you have to move it on the or to the left side. Okay, so the result should be like this. And then you have to flip it. Okay, and then try to adjust. So we have here the first method, first way, then download. You have to download it separately so that you don't need to zip the file. Okay, so download first the first image and then download again the second image. Okay, done. And then after that, you can now delete this pictures right here. So let me delete this one first. And then this one, go to uploads and then move that picture that you have downloaded earlier. So you have to click this or you have to drag first the second picture. Okay, place it like this and then the first picture. Place it. Okay, and then this time you have to look for transparency and then change the transparency into 50%. Okay, so the result should be like this. Feel free to adjust. Okay, sometimes it depends on the picture that you have chosen or you pick. So this is what it looks like, and the result should be like this. Okay, and after you have added transparency here, what you're going to do next is you have to simply download this again. Okay, so we're going to download this picture, go to share, and then download. Once downloaded, you can now erase this picture again. So delete and then go to uploads, upload file, and then drag that picture that you have downloaded recently. Okay, so you can simply cover the whole blank page. And then this time, what we're going to do is you have to go to edit image, go to adjust, and then you can adjust brightness here, decrease brightness, move the contrast to 100%, and then saturation, decrease saturation, or increase saturation. Actually, you just have to move or adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Make sure that contrast is increased to 100 or it is more or increase compared to brightness and saturation. Okay, so as you can see, saturation increased to 27, 30. Everything is up to you, but the result should be like this. So yes, this is it. And once done, you can now tap share and then download this picture. So basically, this is how to combine and blend photos in Canva. So I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.